I used to party a lot. We'll both be starting new businesses individually this year.
लग चुके हैं भाई, no space.
The biggest out is
राहुल,
in हो गया ना वो तो.
मैं अपने मम्मी पापा के पास नहीं जा पाता.
Vulnerable बात करने के लिए कितना
Not-
guts लग रहे थे.
मैं तेरे आउट ज्यादा बता देता. Lifestyle was completely.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Prableen.
And I'm Rahul.
And today we're doing
We are
ins,
discussing.
discussing and also just talking about ins and outs that is quite trending right now everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube. So we decided to talk about our ins and outs as a couple
Ins and outs बता दो कि किसी को कैसे समझेगा ins and outs.
2026 के लिए. हाँ मतलब just habits, things that
We have changed.
we've changed, we've incorporated in our life.
New year है, after marriage things changed. We have decided कि क्या क्या हमको चेंज करना है, बेटर क्या करना है, बैड हैबिट्स को आउट करना है, गुड हैबिट्स को इन करना है. So all that.
चल झूठा.
So
This video is going to be all about that. If this is the first time that you're seeing us, then take a moment, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, so every time we upload a video, you are notified. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So let's talk about
मेरा
outs.
outs बताना, ठीक है? फिर तेरा बताना. First out था that I used to party a lot. So एक वो out है.
वो out हुआ है?
फिर not sleeping on time, sleeping very less. तो same thing. वो out है. I lived to eat. वो out है.
ये
I
out?
loved junk food. I used to order out of 14 meals in a week. I used to eat 10 meals बाहर से. So that was बहुत सारे, मतलब lifestyle was completely.
Self-realization.
So many outs, or I was not regular in the gym, not walking.
कितने outs है बेचारा. कोई अच्छी चीजें बता दे अपने बारे में. It's okay.
इतना आउट हो चुका हूँ मैं. तो अच्छी चीजें तो अभी
नहीं outs बोल, पहले finish कर.
नहीं. मेरे आउट्स और क्या है बेब? तुझे याद आ रहा है? तू हेल्प कर सकती. तू अभी वाइफ बन चुकी है मेरी. हेल्प मी आउट. तो टेल मी द
Procrastination.
आउट्स.
Procrastination.
प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन.
That's your biggest
आउट.
out नहीं है, but thing है to change.
या
For me, I think the biggest out is
राहुल
in हो गया ना वो तो अभी out थोड़ी है.
सोच गयो.
Eating sweets, I think वो सबसे ज़्यादा difficult चीज़ थी मेरे लिए. So that is a very big out for 2026. Procrastinating a lot on expanding my team was a very very big thing. Delegating work to my team, पहले मैं वो नहीं कर पाती थी, but that is out. I don't want to do
Delegating
everything
work to the
mine.
team is out.
No. Not expanding my team and giving work to others, that is out.
मेंस बता दूं?
नहीं.
तेरे आउट्स नहीं आने.
नहीं ना.
10 years later.
Eating lots of carbs in the night is out.
Boring outs.
Getting my nails done every single month is definitely going to be an out. मैंने नहीं की है अभी भी because I'm trying to grow my natural nails and do healthy habits. ताकि मेरे nails normally हो गए. Thinking too much to a point where I'm not able to spend on things, or I feel like it's an investment और मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ फिर भी, that is definitely an out. मुझे वो नहीं
कंजूसी
करना
बोल
है.
देती. इतना क्यों एक्सप्लेन किया?
कंजूसी नहीं, मतलब मैं बहुत प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करती हूँ ना स्पेंड करने के पहले. आई
तूने
फील लाइक.
एक ही प्रोक्रास्टिनेट का पकड़े 4 आउट बना दिए. मैं तेरे आउट ज्यादा बता देता.
हाँ बता दो.
नॉट ईटिंग ऑन टाइम, फर्स्ट आउट. 6-7 घंटे खाना नहीं खाती थी. नॉट फिनिशिंग हर प्लेट, ऑलवेज लीविंग फूड एंड फॉरगेटिंग थिंग्स को तो ठीक भी नहीं कर सकती. लॉल. इन तो हो ही नहीं सकता ये चीज.
चल ठीक है. नाउ आउट्स एज अ कपल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अस एज अ कपल वी आर गोइंग टू लाइक कंप्लीटली वी हैव स्टॉप्ड डूइंग, और वी आर आई थिंक टेकिंग
fighting.
आवर हेल्थ टू लाइटली is out. That is our biggest out for 2026.
Yeah, focusing on our health is in.
आएंगे हम ins पे, but वो एक definitely out है. Giving each other space after an argument
Is out.
is out.
लग चुके हैं भाई. No space.
सॉरी नहीं मैंने गलत बोला ना. मतलब वो
नहीं,
इन
तूने
था.
सही बोला. तूने सच बोल दिया गलती से. Taking each other very seriously is out.
100%.
Yeah. Getting upset or mad at little things is out. Not keeping a tab of finances is out.
That's a big out.
Yeah.
We're done with all the outs. Now let's start with
Now you
ins.
also go out.
Now let's start with ins.
So मेरा personal ins बोल दूं पहले.
मैं बोलूंगी.
Eating 3 hours before bedtime.
That's
Intermittent
an in.
fasting. Going to the gym 5 days a week.
That's an in for me as well.
Hydrating myself. Drinking a lot of water. Eating clean. No sugar.
Delegating work for me is a big in for this year. Going out of my comfort zone is also a very big in this year. Getting early in the morning, जो मेरा 11 बजे
Getting
होता
early
था.
in the morning.
Getting up early in the morning, जो मेरा 11 बजे होता था. Now
She's getting early in the morning.
Now it's like 8:30, 9 max.
Valuing my emotions and respecting myself.
Isn't it? इसको
Not-
vulnerable बात करने के लिए कितना guts लग रहे
not
देखो.
taking myself for granted.
Isn't in वो such a cool guy, man. Love
Taking
it.
a stand for myself in, dude.
सही बात है.
Confronting people always out.
Should be an in.
Loser.
Should be
Should
an
be an
in.
in, but I don't think it'll ever be an in.
But it's okay, I'll do it for you. Taking my parents out for experiences and making plans with them is definitely an in. I think last year इतने हम नहीं कर पाए because of course it was our wedding and we were saving up and all the money was going there. So this year I definitely want to make sure that I am making lot more plans and since वो लोग कभी भी इंडिया भी travel नहीं किए ना international travel किए, so I want to take both of them ऐसे on trips.
So
and
traveling with fam. In.
Yes. Ins as a couple is definitely
Spending quality
more
time.
I think learning new things and having new experiences in this home
तेरा
is
in है
definitely
क्या?
going to be an in as a couple. अकेले तो मैंने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया बट हम दोनों ने साथ में तो हमारे लिए न्यू है ना. तो जैसे if we're like cooking together or if we're cleaning together or if we're
But we
doing
to have a cook.
someday that shit we don't want her to cook, we just want her to help and we both want to cook or you want to do something special for me
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो ना
and that's an in.
I think it's a sign.
It's a sign.
It's a hint that she is giving. It was not an in. Now
It's
in.
Choosing peace over anger and over fights is definitely an in because I think both of us are such alpha personalities that we both feel like our opinions are always right and I
It's
think
like
we
two
have
trains on the same track.
to that is so true. But I think we're learning to live with each other and also understand how दूसरा person works तो जब वो ज़्यादा गर्म है तो हमको थोड़ा
Actually,
ठंडा
I
होके
knew how she works. She is getting to know more because I am here
Yeah.
24/7.
That is true. So like giving him space when I know that he's like really angry because अभी उसके पास वो option भी नहीं है कि वो लड़के अपने घर जा सके. तो अभी उसके लिए वो एक new चीज़ है. So yeah, learning to
मैं अपने मम्मी पापा के पास नहीं जा पाता.
चले जा. इसने रोका है.
Out.
Taking a lot more trips with my friends definitely that's also an in.
2 international trips minimum a year.
Yeah, that is true.
And first
That is
trip will be Sri Lanka, which
Let's
is
go.
hardly international. Investing, diversifying our assets and money.
Yeah, being more mindful about where we're putting our money and how we're investing for our future. So we have a solid savings and also थोड़ा passive income कैसे हम generate कर पाए that
Trying
I think
to generate passive, yeah.
yeah making more mindful wiser financial decisions is definitely an in.
And
which-
we'll both be starting new businesses individually this year.
yes because this like doing this channel together is already a business.
Oh, true. 3.
But
Two.
individually we want to also grow.
Have our best physique this year.
Be the fittest version of
Fittest
ourselves
version, yes.
is definitely an in because I think हम दोनों ने कभी भी लाइफ में अपनी हेल्थ को इतना प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं किया ना फिटनेस को किया ना अपने वेट को कभी इतना माइक्रो मैनेज किया है कभी हमने इतना ध्यान ही नहीं दिया है. नाउ वी आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट वी आर ईटिंग
On
द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ
time.
कैलोरीज
Yeah.
एंड देन ईटिंग नो जंक और घर पे हम लाइक सब चीज करवा रहे. Having a cook,
It's
a
the
healthy
best
cook
luxury you can have.
and is the best investment you can do for yourself. So spending money on things that actually will give you good health and good results and help you grow is definitely an in. और उसके अंदर हमारे लिए cook, expanding my team, living in a bigger house because now we have more space, more I think different backdrops. So all of these things were majorly investments.
हाँ.
So that's definitely an in.
अभी मैं अपने एक फ्रेंड से बात कर रहा था उसने भी वही मेरे को समझाया कि विच कार यू ड्राइव हाउ मेनी कार्स यू हैव एंड वो कितने महंगे लग्जरी कार है दैट डजंट मैटर एवरीवन इन द हाउस हैविंग देयर ओन ड्राइवर्स दैट इज एक्चुअली अ लग्जरी
luxury.
कन्वीनियंस इज अ बेटर लग्जरी देन एक्चुअल मटेरियलिस्टिक
True.
thing like a good driver is more valuable than having a very expensive car.
That's actually very true. And I think that is those are all the ins जो मुझे भी फिलहाल याद आ रहे हैं. And also having a lot of me time while we're in the same house is also an in.
हाँ.
Because we both also love our me time and we both also enjoyed. Jैसे throughout the day we both really enjoy giving each other space while we both of us are working, and then constantly हम आते एक दूसरे को मिलते जाते हैं. But that is also definitely an in, because दोनों को खुद भी तो इंडिविजुअली ग्रो होना है, ऐसे नहीं है कि
You guys must be thinking कितने इंच. हम लोग ऐसे बहुत नॉर्मल लोग हैं. एक्चुअली ये साल शादी हुई है, साथ में रहने लगे हैं, हेल्थ को ध्यान देने लगे, इसलिए ज्यादा इंच हो गए. नहीं तो वी आर नॉर्मल पीपल. बोले इतने इंच कैसे होते भाई इन लोगों के.
बट दीज आर वेरी लाइक रियलिस्टिक इन.
हाँ, क्योंकि हमने इतने साल इतने सब कुछ थिंग्स को
खराब
किया ही नहीं.
That is true. और अभी
सब out वाले
suddenly
habits
हम
थे. अभी
बहुत
हम लोग
सारे
साथ में कर रहे करके इतने सारे इंच है. सो या वी आर नॉट फेकिंग इट.
they're not saying also that we are faking it. We're just
नहीं,
telling
तू
what.
में नहीं इंच. मैंने जितने वीडियोस देखे लोग 2 3 4 बताते हैं. हमने तो भाई पूरी.
बट हम एक्चुअली में वो सब फॉलो कर रहे हैं. हम कुछ नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे जो हमने नहीं किया है. इट्स ऑलरेडी बिन अ मंथ.
या एग्जैक्टली वही बोल रहा हूँ ना.
हाँ, इट्स बिन अ मंथ सिंस वी हैव बीन फॉलोइंग एंड डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दीज इन्स, एंड जो हमने किए हमने वही बताया है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. लेट अस नो हाउ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. If you enjoyed watching it, please let us know what do you want to watch more, because we would love to do like challenges and vlogs, and of course वो सब चलते रहने वाले हैं, but we want to know what do you
Guys
enjoy
wanna
watching
know, yes, about us.
what do you want to watch more. सबसे ज़्यादा like
If you want me to vlog.
yeah, from Rahul's POV, I think that will also be fun. But yeah, we really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up,
Subscribe to our channel.
hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.